Hello friends, this is Yogesh Raut and welcome to my channel Book Lover. I am back with another wonderful book by Dale Carnegie, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. This book is full of techniques to overcome the worries and stress generated by these worries. Author is asking here to find the answers to following questions. Do I tend to put off living the present in order to worry about the future? Yes, we do. We always carry the burden of future requirements and responsibilities on our shoulders. Family, kids, education, home loans, career, promotion, blah, 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 blah. The list is never ending. Do I sometimes embitter the present by regretting things that happened in the past? Yes, we do. Any bad incidences from past, such as insults, injustice, etc., always keeps us fuming. Do I get up in the morning determined to seize the day, to get utmost out of this 24 hours of the day? We always struggle day and night to make both ends meet. Magic Formula by Willis Carrier. Willis Carrier was head of the world-renowned air conditioner manufacturing company Carrier. He was using the stress-relieving technique given here. Analyze the situation fearlessly and honestly and figure out what is the worst that could possibly happen as a result of the failure. Impartial thought of incident and careful analysis of situation helps us in figuring out possible results of situation. After figuring out what is the worst that could possibly happen, reconcile yourself to accepting it. This is a very crucial step. Here, we tend to defend ourselves even if we are guilty. Accepting the fault, taking responsibility of mistake, and reconciling with situation helps us in minimizing the worry. Devote your time and energy calmly trying to improve upon the worst, which you had accepted mentally. Finding solution needs a peace of mind. Earlier steps provide us that necessary peace of mind. Another powerful technique by author, day-tight compartments. Our main business is not to see what lies dimly at a distance, but to do what lies clearly at hand. We can act in today only in present. We have no control on our future. By all means, take thought for the tomorrow. Yes, careful thought, planning, and preparation. But have no anxiety. Of course, we must have a careful thought for future, but carrying no burden on shoulders. Dale Carnegie have discussed following techniques in detail in his book, Way Forward. Fill your mind with thoughts of peace, courage, health, and hope. Thoughts of peace, courage replaces anxiety from our mind. Let's not think a minute about people we don't like. Yes, forget and forgive. Do not worry about ingratitude. Jesus Christ helped 10 lepers, but only one expressed his gratitude. So if Jesus could not get the gratitude, then who we are? Help for joy of helping. Count your blessings, not your trouble. Use what lies in your hand and move ahead. Let's not imitate others, be yourself. Yes, imitating others creates crisis with your own identity. When you are good to others, you are best to yourself. When you help others, our heart gets filled with happiness. There are many more techniques that have been elaborated by author in book such as ways to cultivate mental attitude for peace and happiness, ways to stop worrying about criticism, ways to prevent fatigue and worry, keep your energy and spirits high. I recommend this book to buy and read. This is really wonderful book and has helped me a lot in my personal life. So much friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel Book Lover if you really like this video. Please press the bell icon for notifications of new videos.